Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making curry vegetable basmati rice. This dish, guys, is simple, colorful side dish with an amazing flavor. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start by giving the rice a quick rinse to remove extra starches. By doing so, guys, it helps to keep the rice from becoming sticky. The water doesn't have to run clear, guys. Now let's move on to the stove. In a medium saucepan, add butter. As soon as it starts bubbling, add some onions. We're gonna also add in carrots. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we are adding in bell peppers. Along with green peppers and celery. Give it a good stir. Now it's time to add the seasonings. We're gonna add curry along with turmeric. Give it a good stir. Allow this to cook for another 3 minutes. Next, we are adding in the rice. We're gonna also add hot water. Give it a good stir. Then we're gonna season with salt. Give it 1 or 2 stir. Cover and cook for 20 minutes. Once it's done, fluff the rice with a fork. It smells so good in here, guys. Basmati rice has this nutty flavor that you just don't get it from plain white rice. Garnish with chopped green onions. There you have it, guys. Curry vegetable basmati rice. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a like. We serve this rice with sliced beetroot and Cajun butter chicken. I have a good recipe for Cajun butter chicken. I'll leave the link somewhere up here, guys. I hope you'll try this recipe. Let me know how it turned out for you. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.